do your own too.
No, I'm not.
No, you have to.
No,
it's two different ones.
No, once you do, it has covered everything.
First of all, I'm excited. I thank God for this erudite judgment by the Supreme Court. This is an appeal. This is a case that started from Federal High Court, Abuja Division. It was transferred to Benin Division. Judgment was given in favor of the respondents. They appealed to Court of Appeal. Judgment was entered in our favor. They appealed to Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has given us judgment in our favor. That is in favor of the 1st to 34th respondents. I have nothing to add than to say I'm excited. At least it has put to rest the question of who authentic candidate of the Benin Senatorial, House of Rep and State House of Assembly are. Is there any other question you want to ask?
Yeah, because some of us are not privy to the initial grounds of the case. I don't know if you could just throw more light on that.
You will recall that there were about 9 appeals in all, both appeal and cross-appeal. What has happened, the Supreme Court have said it should abide. So 2 appeals were taken, 1575A and 1575B. And that is all that has happened. I'm very excited. No, you do not. No,
yes. Okay.
No, you have said it. Sorry.
Well, this is a judgment that you cannot dance. It's a judgment that is a family issue. So all I will say is that we have waited for this judgment, and we have agreed that after the judgment, the umbrella will be bigger. So this judgment is for all of us. There's no winner, there's no loser. It's PDP that have won. And our moving forward now is for all of us to come together and actually rescue Nigeria. So this judgment is for all of us in PDP, and is victory for democracy, and the judiciary has once again shown that is the last hope of the common man. But for us in the PDP family, it's victory for PDP, and all of us have to come together now to rescue Nigeria.
Thank you.